What is up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? This is Everything is Tech here, and in this video I have the unboxing of the HP TouchPad tablet. And overall, this looks like a wonderful tablet. It's a first tablet actually by HP, the company, and overall, I mean, this looks like a really great competitor to the other tablets out there in the market right now, like the Android tablets, like the Galaxy Tab, the iPad 2. So, you know, personally, since this runs a actual different type of operating system, it doesn't run Android, it actually runs HP's Web OS. So this tablet can definitely pack a good punch if it can actually match up to the other tablets. So, over here is the box. This is pretty much how the tablet looks like. And it says the HP, has the HP logo right here, and the back is pretty empty. And one thing I like is that the Beats, or the audio, is actually Beats audio, so that's always going to be like good quality audio, probably, I'm guessing. And that's pretty much it. The box is pretty plain. So with this box over here, this kind of slides out, which is kind of easier than it looks, or kind of harder than it looks, honestly, and slides out really fast. This is the tablet itself, nothing else inside. Let's go ahead and put this to the side, and you can kind of already feel the smell of a new product, like a new tablet smell, so that's always kind of cool. Here is the tablet itself, and it looks, you know, a lot like the iPad if you ask me. But let's go ahead and put that down right to the side, and the tablet actually does cover some manuals, some documentation, I guess. Hard to pull this out right here. Alright, there we go. So let's see what we have inside. I like the kind of color of this. It looks pretty cool, the blue color to that. So in here we have the getting started guide, the navigation guide, and HP is here to help guide, or documentation, and safety and legal information, and also a cleaning cloth, which is awesome. Not many tablets actually give you a cleaning cloth. So let's go ahead and just wrap this up and put this right here for the side. And then in the side over here we actually do have, I'm going to say the USB, yep, this is the wall adapter. You plug the USB in here, and then you plug this in your outlet, and then you also have the USB cable for the tablet itself. So go ahead and put all that to the side and take one good look at the tablet itself. So here's the tablet. Honestly, I mean, the looks of the box, I mean, it seemed kind of heavy, especially when I got in the shipment. So, you know, the tablet does kind of feel a little bit like weighty, if you know what I mean, on the hands. But anyways, besides that, this is the tablet. I really like the design, I guess. I mean, it kind of looks like every other tablet, pretty much. But I mean, I guess I like the I just like the overall feel of it. It feels really nice. So this is the HP Tab. I think this is about 9.8 inches, so good fact to keep in mind. And I'll go ahead and have a review coming out for this tablet really shortly. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.